Hello everyone, myself Deepak Kumar Yadav, MCA first year, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, and my topic is counter in digital logic. So counter is a device which stores and sometimes displays the number of times a particular event or process has occurred. Often in a relationship to a clock signal, counters are used in digital electronics for counting purpose. They can count specific event happening in a circuit. For example, in up counter, a counter increase count for every rising edge of clock. Not only counting, a counter can also the certain sequence basis on our design, like any random sequence 0, 3, 2. They can also be designed with the help of flip flops. They are basically used as frequency divider, which where are the frequency of given pulses waveform is divided. Counters are sequential circuit that count the number of pulses, can be either in binary code or BCD form. The main properties of counters are timing, sequencing, and counting. Counter works in two mode: up counter, down counter. If we talk about counter classification, counters are broadly divided into two categories. One is asynchronous counter, and a synchronous counter. Asynchronous counter is a counter we don't use a universal clock. Only first flip flop is driven by main clock, and the clock input of rest of the following flip flop is driven by output of previous flip flops, and we understand it by following diagram. The second one is a synchronous counter. Unlike the asynchronous counter, synchronous counter has one global clock which drives each flip flop, so output changes in parallel. The one advantages of a synchronous counter over asynchronous counter is it can operate on higher frequency than a synchronous counter, as it does not have any some to delays because of some clock is given to each flip and flop. It also called as parallel counters. Thank you.